I'm going to show you how to play a basic drum set pattern without using any drums, only using your body. We're going to start with our right foot, which is our kick foot. Your kick foot is only going to play on beat 1. So when we count, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. You're only going to make a sound on 1. Let's try that together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to do that over and over and over again until you get very, very comfortable with it. Once you've mastered that, you're going to move on and use your left hand. Your left hand, makes an L shape, is your snare hand. Your snare hand usually plays on beats 2 and beat 4. So if we were to count the same exact way, 1, 2, 3, 4, we would only make sounds on 2 and on 4. So let's try that together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to do that as well over and over and over again until you get very comfortable with it. Once you're comfortable with that, you should try connecting your right foot with your left hand. So that means we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Practice that until it becomes almost second nature, very comfortable. You don't have to think about it anymore. And then you're going to add the third and final component for this beat, which is your right hand. Your right hand is going to be the hi-hat part. And typically, the hi-hats are played over the snare in a crossed fashion. But what we're going to do is we can either play it on your lap or you can cross your hand over to your shoulder to have that same cross feeling. I'm going to keep my hand here. But remember, you can always play it here if you want. Keeping my hand here, I'm going to play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. Remember, you can play it here too. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. The same thing that you did before, you're going to repeat it until you get very, very comfortable with it. And then you're going to add it into your left hand and your right foot. That way you can play all 3 patterns at the same time. Let's try that now. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. Practice that over and over again until it becomes very, very comfortable, almost second nature. And then you'll be able to do it at any tempo. If you want to play a very laid back song, you can play it very slowly. And if you want to play a very upbeat and poppy kind of song, you'll be able to play that at a very fast tempo. We're going to try it one more time slow, and then we'll try it one time fast. Here we go. 1, 2, slowly go. 1 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. Now let's try it a little bit faster. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. Like I said, you could play it even faster and faster depending on what kind of song you want to play and if you have a track that you would like to play along. This fits into any pop, hip hop, R&B, soul, funk, and even rock songs. Most of the songs that we listen to have that pattern going on inside of them. So I'm going to play a song right now so we can play along to it. And I'm going to go from my foot to my left hand to my right hand so you can see how it all builds on each other. The first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to make sure we find the steady beat. So I'm going to snap that for us. We're going to start with a foot. 1, 2, 3, and 1. 1. 1. Snare hand. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. You can get funkier with that and you can play different things on your foot. You can play different things on your hand. You can even add more interesting things happening on your hi-hat hand as well. So hopefully you learned something cool today. You learned how to play the first of many beats that you'll be